Yo, we're going on YouTube. So we got another video for y'all today. Shit, we're at, we at Platinum Auto. And we getting the tires changed today. I told y'all I had something coming up for y'all special. Shout out to my boy Shahid for the deal on the tires. And I went and got the rims. Well, he went and got the rims from me off of Offer Up. So I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when they get up. Going ahead and he's starting on the wheels in the back. He got to take the TPMS sensors off. I don't know if we didn't get to y'all on the diffuser video. Wicker build video coming next. Cars coming along, y'all. Wide body next year. So he changing the rim off the old tire with a TPMS sensor off the old tire and everything. He's gonna be up for sale too. Just the new tires right here. I think it's right there.
I need to take out the
Brembos over this guy. If y'all don't know what it look like under Scat wheel well, this is what it is. These are 4-piston Brembos. We upgrading soon. Everything coming. You know. Hopefully for Christmas I can get me some big Brembo with 6 pistons. We got the brand new tire up there. You finna mount it.
okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. Look how that thing drop on now. Ooh. Yes, sir. You putting that work in. This ain't no easy task, y'all.
Wow.
Look crazy.
Now.
Peeling the new stickers off, and my boy had me right. Oh my God, had me right with the brand new tire.
Fresh out the box.
You feel me?
Same gas station?
We're gonna try to get the audio quality and the camera quality better for y'all as everybody start coming in and subscribing. So we can really take off on this guy.
Boy.
Alright, y'all see it. We got the front one. We gotta dust them off a little bit, but when they get shined up, y'all can see how they stunt. With the little 5-spoke SRT rims. We'll upgrade the caliper later on.
Yes, sir.
Make it hit different.
You hear?
So we got this 265s on front. The Nittos. I had these over in the storage unit, and I got the wide body now, so I can't really do nothing with them. So I just went ahead, threw them to Jordan real quick for a good little deal. Yep, these are the 265 35 ZR20s. And in the back, we're gonna put the 305. And we'll probably be done with that in a little second. So we're halfway done with it, y'all.
Halfway down. Yep, almost.
Yes, sir.
2 down, 2 to go.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna get this spray. I'm gonna black out them lugs.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. We get ready to put the 305s on. We finna see how this goes. We gonna cut that T out in a second.
Where's your friend?
Over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna need his assist. This one is big one.
I got you.
Yeah. Pop. Yes. Yes. Yep. Oh.
I never knew what those was for.
Hmm? You said what?
I never knew what those were for in there.
Oh, okay.
That's just like a little small weight to kind of even it out when it spins.
Yeah.
Alright.
Perfect. 0.00.
3 out of 4 down. Go ahead, throw this one on there. Getting that last one ready. Jordan done ran through some paint. He over here trying to scrub it off while he got a chance.
Hell yeah. Till we get that mount on the ass. Shit. The little corner want to be naughty. So ass up out of there. Shit. Fuck whoever spilled that paint on the damn concrete out there.
Oh shit.
Okay, out here working. Alright, since these tires so big, he's gonna need an extra hand pushing down the tire onto it. So Jordan gonna get in there and put that work
I'm gonna
in.
need your assist.
Okay.
Yeah. Come like this up. This one. Is this one that you press down? This one. This one.
Okay.
And go down.
We got 3 bars for that thing. Big 305.
It's trying to come off. Sorry. Yeah. Push it down.
Forcing that thing,
Yeah.
bro.
We can get in there. Almost. Alright. Leave it. Leave it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See how? Still. Okay, wow.
Ooh, man.
Finally.
Slide to this side.
Finally.
Last one, huh?
Last one. There you good to go.
Yes, sir. Big 305. Yeah, they looking beefy.
Yeah.
Damn. They're flying through here, boy. Damn. They about 7 cars. Oh, that's it, y'all. I'm sitting down on them now. Ooh. Ooh. My guy Nurex got me right, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Put them on.
Yes, sir. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all his info and everything in a second before we head up out of here. But yeah, this guy's sitting real meaty. Real meaty. Yeah. Hey y'all, this Nurex, man, this is contact number.
I got you.
This is the name of his shop. He located at 4450 Lawrenceville Highway, Suite A, Lilburn, Georgia, 347. Y'all come holler at him. He gonna get y'all right. Man, y'all come check out my man's Nurex, man. He got all the tires you need and everything you need
All
done.
sizes.
Everything.
All sizes. Whatever time you have, just come and pop in.
Come holler at him.
Yeah.
officially. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna hey, Scorpion looking real mighty fine here. Yes, sir. 265s on the front, 305s on the back. You hear me?